Hi everyone. Okay, so today in this video, we're gonna go over how to add services and products to your customers in Datagate. If you're looking at my screen, I've already gone in and I've clicked on the triple bar here and gone to customers. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go into my customer. From here, it's gonna take us to the invoices tab. This is not the tab we wanna be on. The tab we wanna be on is the service items tab, which is the first one. This is so that we can add usage to our customers. So what you need to do is click on the little plus. And then in the service item, we're going to go ahead and put in the domain of the customer as it shows in the manager portal. So you have to make sure you do, I'm going to do this, for example, IT demo. It needs to include your reseller ID if that's how it shows up in the online portal. If it does not include in the online portal, then it's not needed. But in our case, it is. So I'm going to put it. And I'm going to go ahead and put the dot service. It needs to have the dot service. You're going to go ahead and copy this and you're going to put it into this aliases right here on the right. And you're going to click on add item. Once that's completed, under service, the ones that you're going to pick are toll free and tolls. You're going to have to do this for each one. So in this case, I'll do tolls. The from date is the day that you're going to start billing for usage as of. By default, it's going to go off the day that you're creating this. So if you want to bill for July 1st, as of July 1st, I apologize, then you're going to go ahead and click on the July 1st and then leave the two blank. Make sure that the active is checked and then go ahead and click on the floppy disk to save. And that will go ahead and add it to your service items. You'll need to go through the same process for the toll-free service. It's the exact same thing. You go ahead and you add the service item, add the alias. Make sure your service is toll-free rather than tolls. Change your from date to the 1st of July and click save. And that'll go ahead and add the product to your service items. So that's setting it up for usage. The next thing we need to do for usage is come here to this assignments tab, and we have to assign something called a rate card to this service item in order for it to rate. So we'll click on the little plus. And the rating item that you're going to choose is the rate card that you have in place. You have the option of doing either the toll-free ones, which are per minute, and then you have the option of doing the outbound and inbound non-toll-free calls. This is usually for international calls. This is the one you would pick. Then for site, you can leave it blank. You don't need to put something in here. Your service item, make sure that it's all service items. And then your from date will be the same one that you put in your service item, which will be the 1st of July in this case. And then we'll go ahead and click on save. And that will go ahead and add your rate card here. Now you're ready for your usage to be rated for your customer. The next thing we're going to go into is adding in your products. This is where you're going to bill them for monthly. So we're going to come here to this products tab. And I already have them in place, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add it. So it's just like all the other ones with the little plus. You're going to click the plus and you're going to click on add product. You can also do add product kit. This is something that you will need to create here in the kit templates. It's essentially just a bundle of products for a different price rather than having the products separated out. In this case, I'm just going to click on add product. And then I'm going to pick the product template. These are the ones that you're going to already have in place. You would just pick whichever one you're going to use. In this case, I'll pick a seat. Once I click on that, everything should generate by default. Okay. Now, the only thing you need to worry about here is your from date. Make sure your from date is the day you're going to start billing it for as of. So in this case, I'll do July 1st as well. This is usually the day that they have gone active, whether it's porting or whether a temporary DID was assigned to them. And then you're going to scroll down and you have to make sure this allow pro rata option is checked. This is so that if case something changes, you can prorate the product in your bill. And then if you need to, you're going to go ahead and change your sell price. This is the price that you're charging your customer for. So you'll go ahead and click on edit. Your sell price by default is $24.50. You can change this to whatever you please. I'll do $19.99 for example. And then your quantity will be the amount of seats that you're going to charge it for. So I'll do 3 in this case. And then you're going to go ahead and click on update charge once you're ready to go. And once you're ready, you go ahead and click on the floppy disk to save. And that's it. You've added products and services for your customer. If you have any questions or concerns, you can refer to the documentation on how to do this in the comments section below, or you can send an email to billing@oit.co for assistance. Thanks for watching. Bye.